Let's wait. Let us... Wait lang nga. Taasan natin to. Para... Ayun. Hello. Hi guys. Kamusta? Oh? Hi! Kisses. Kie? Hello. Hi Jenny Rator. Hello. How are you? My gosh, you're calling me by my name. Thank you. Kinikilig ako pag tinatawag akong Sam. Nakakakilig. Hi Faye! I miss you. Hi Jasher. Hello. Henry! Hi! Yes, I'm bored and I miss you. Like, you should call me. You should take me out or something. Hi, Amy, Seal, or... Hi, I miss you too. Thank you. Ay, kinikilig ako. Ano ba? Hi, Eclipse. Good evening. How are you? Hi guys. Hi guys, kamusta? Anong oras na ba? Okay, 1 hour left till episode 2. Ayan, sige, tambay muna tayo bago mag-episode 2. Hi Nat, hello. Hi Max, thank you, I love you. Hi guys, OMG. Hi Anika, I miss you, ma. Oh my God, Johan. Ano na? Ikaw kasi mag-aya. Malay ko ba kung may work ka or hindi? I miss you too, Henry. Henry, I feel like we have so much to... Are you watching, Henry? Huwag ka nga. You miss my voice. You miss my voice. Hi, Chaz. How are you? Thank you so much sa sobrang pag-support. Hi, Janelle! Excited for episode 2. Yes, guys, tama yan. Thank you. Thank you kasi kahit na it's been months until lumabas yung season 2, nakaabang pa rin kayo and hindi kayo na iinip. So, sana guys, ituloy-tuloy nyo po yung support. Malay nyo, umabot tayo ng season 53, diba? It's giving One Piece. It's giving Gossip Girl. Hi, Bleezy Garcia. Thank you. I still can't believe the first time I saw you in senior high, you nailed the Mataray role so much. Thank you, Liz. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Mataray din ako sa Pamilya Sagrado. Pero, mas mataray ata ako sa senior high. I mean, sa senior high naman, may morals ako. Ang bagal mo, may bestie na siya. Lahat naman tayo may bestie, guys. Bestie lang yan. Ano ba? Guys. Di ba lahat naman tayo may bestie? Why would I be threatened? Everyone deserves a bestie. How was your day? Okay naman. My parents are visiting the Philippines today. So they arrived. My mom and dad. My dad arrived here like kanina, and then parang nag-visit siya after a long time, so we're having lots of fun. We're going on trips together soon. Hi, oh, you're super, thank you, I love you. Hope to see you again. I hope to see you also. Thank you, Veronica. Oh, thank you. Napanood mo, thank you. Ayun, ano guys, chika minute na tayo. Like, ask me questions. Do you guys want advice on anything? Let's go! I'm so back. I was down for a bit. I was quiet for a bit. But now we're back. Kailan ulit guesting? I'm not sure yet. Pero meron this week for sure. Hi, Kuya Kat. Thank you. Mas mataray ka sa Zoomers. Hindi naman. Mataray ba si Faye? Galit lang siya. Hindi siya mataray. Thank you, I am Slen. Thank you. I'll definitely watch Pamilya Sagrado. Thank you, Liz. Thank you. I hope you enjoy Pamilya Sagrado. It's really fun. It's a super intriguing drama, and yeah. Your hair kay bumagay sa yoga. Thank you. Yes, I changed my hair. Buti may nakapansin. Actually, I went out yesterday. Nag-videocon, walang nakapansin. Si Crystal lang nakapansin. But yeah, nagpa-highlights ako. Kasi it's summer look na siya. Yung red kasi more of pang autumn, pang winter, yung tone niya. And gusto ko kasi magpatan ng onte. And based on color theory, mas babagay if ganito yung hair color ko. Hi, hi. Oh my gosh, can you teach me Japanese? I said, hi, hi. They said, Sam, can you teach me Japanese? Japanese, kudasai. New hair color. Yes, it's ash brown with highlights. Do you guys like the hair? I was worried na baka merong manghinayang kasi lots of people liked my red hair pero sawa na ako. I needed a change. Tsaka June was a terrible month for me. Like, alam mo, grabe talaga, tinest ako ng universe kung hanggang saan yung limits ko, and hindi ko kinaya yung June. So, I felt like, maybe I need to change something about myself para gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. So, ayun, July, we're bouncing back. July, we're happy again. July, we're going to thrive. Ate, paano kayo nagkakilala ni Bini Mika? Teammates kami nung high school sa Lasal. Same kami nung parang, kasi sa Lasal, meron parang Hogwarts houses. So, may 4 na parang team. And then, same kaming team. So, nag-cheer dance kami together. Ayun, ano lang ata siya noon? Grade 7, I was grade 9. I miss you too, Lifeline! Lalabas ka na sa episode 2, hinintay kita sa episode 1, kaso wala ka pa. Nasa kotse pa si Faye, like, nagda-drive pa siya, nag-waze pa siya, wala eh, medyo hirap siya mag-drive, tsaka galing siya sa malayo, galing pa siya sa Japan, so lilipad pa siya pa beach, diba, may storyline. What can you say sa mga tao na inuunahan ang pag-come out ng isang tao? That's not a nice thing to do. Ayun nga, if you guys understood Faye nung season 1, people deserve to come out in their own terms, in their own way, and how they want to do it. Especially pag sa parents, and parents first before the public. But it's up to them. I suggest panoorin nyo yung Love, Simon if you haven't. It's one of my favorite coming of age movies, and meron dong part about coming out and how, you know, how he wants to do it for himself, ganon. It's really inspiring, and yeah. So guys, if you know someone from the LGBT community na hindi pa totally out, like, please be careful not to you know, naunahan sila. How are you, Bae? Bae, I'm doing great, thank you. You look like Ate Camille. Who is Ate Camille? Americana ka na? Oo nga, si Crystal Phillips, si Asian girly. You look like sasampalin mo kami. Ano? You look like sasampalin mo kami pero kami pang magpapasalamat. Hoy, di ako nananampal. Huwag tayo magsampalan, guys. Hello, long time no tambay here sa live mo. Hello. Hi, Gia! I missed you too! I'm so happy you're here. Are you guys waiting for episode 2? Or napanood nyo na sa Super Kapamilya? If hindi kayo part pa ng Super Kapamilya, I heard 50 pesos lang daw siya. Totoo ba? Actually, should I try? Gusto ko na panoorin hanggang episode 5, but like, wala akong GCash. Wala akong pangnood ng Super Kapamilya. So, di ba? I missed you too, Von-san. Hi, KSNDRDL Chris. Hello. Buo na araw ko. Uy. Ate, kamukha niyo po yung dati kong kaklase nung grade 8. Kakilig din po kayo ni Faye since senior 1. Thank you. Sabihin mo sa kaklase mong kamukha ako, love ko na rin siya. Thank you for following my account, Janella on X. Oh, hi! Ikaw yung nakita ko outside ba ng ABS. Ikaw yun, di ba? You're not totally out yet. That's okay. Do it in your own terms. No matter how long. Basta pag ready ka na. Hi, Lay Forest. Hi, how are you? Hi, Carpio Rosabel. Hello. Hi, Kai Tung Kim. Edward Mercano, hello po. Good evening po sa inyo. Thank you po sa support. Nakita ko po yung mga stories nyo. I know ba? pero, okay. Well, pag may nakikita kasi ako na fully support sa amin sa Zoomers, I try to follow everyone as much as I can. And super na-appreciate ko. Gusto ko kasi yung timeline ko puno ng Zoomers content. Zoomers edits, mga Zoomers chuchu. So, yeah. Share ko lang, I don't personally know you, but I feel so proud of you because I followed you since nagko-cover ka pa lang ng Dance to ASAP Stage and now, Liz, thank you. Yes, I remember you. Matagal na kitang nakikita. Thank you. Grabe, may time pala na nagda-dance covers ako, no? Like, it was very bihira lang yun kasi yun yung pinaka nahihiya akong ilagay online, yung mga dance ko. Kasi I'm not super, di naman sa hindi ako confident, but like, when it comes to dance, very takot ako mag-upload kasi gusto ko, kailangan perfect siya. Pero thank you, grabe. The journey has been crazy and yeah. Waiting sa I Want, Pamilya Sagrado and Zoomers, ikaw lang iningintay na lumabas. Uy, thank you, girl. That means so much to me. Alam mo, may mga times talaga, as a girly, as a very sensitive, overthinker girly, sometimes napapaisip ako na parang, sana walang nadidisappoint na parang, bihira lang ako lumabas or something like that, na parang sana yung mga supporters ko hindi mainip kasi parang hindi naman tuloy-tuloy talaga yung mga ganap ko. Pero thank you guys kasi you guys are rooting for me. Mas you're rooting for me more than I root for myself. And that makes me want to root for myself more. So thank you. Hi Cyril! How are you? Hi Alexis Royce! Hi! How are you? Kaka-renew ko lang ng Disney Plus. Walang budget para sa ibang streaming service. Bakit Disney Plus? There's nothing there. What's your favorite food, bae? My favorite food, bae, ang favorite food ko is, wait lang, sorry guys, ang ingay kasi my parents are here. But, my favorite food is, fried chicken. Fried chicken. Oh, seafood! Buttered shrimp, steamed shrimp, kahit anong shrimp. Tsaka sashimi and yeah, or a fish. Sana mag-guess yung cast ng Zoomers sa Going Bulilit, Ate Kay. Oh my God, gusto ko yan kasi pangarap ko talaga maging kasama sa Going Bulilit. Sana pwede pa. When ka magpunta dito sa Davao? Never pa ako nakapunta anywhere sa Mindanao. Pero I heard masaya kasi madagat, 'di ba? Gusto ko din mapuntahan Cebu tsaka Bohol. Will you do vlogs na po ulit? Yes, I'm trying to. But I wanna ask you guys kung what kind of content you want to see. Ginawa ko ng pampatulog mga voice message mo. Uy, I like that. Thank you. Hi, Eliana! I miss you! I just got home. And my parents are here. What are you doing? I miss you already. I missed you the moment na I woke up. I was like, I had such a great night with Eliana. When is she coming back? Hi, Pusaway. Hello. Episode blank, lalabas si Faye. Ay, alam na ni Chaz kasi super kapamilya siya, diba guys? Di natin kaya. Di ko afford yung 50 pesos. Na pampa-super kapamilya. So, Chaz, ano feeling maging super kapamilya? Thank you, Kay, sa pag-heart react sa IG, share story, at pag-message mo sa akin. Dahil support pa rin kita hanggang ngayon. Thank you po, Sir Edward. Thank you. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po. Super duper duper. Naka-visit na po ba kayo sa Bicol? Hindi din po. Ang napuntahan ko lang sa Philippines ay Boracay, Calabarzon, Zambales. Yun lang. Baguio. Yun lang. You're gonna watch later? Got you. Hi, Keisha! Hello! Pusaway na yung name mo. Bakit Pusaway? Ramen? Ramen is okay. Depends. Gusto ko yung ramen pag sobrang daming green onion. As in yung magkaka-bad breath ka after sa sobrang daming green onion. I'm making you a checklist of music. Send it to me. Send it to me, please. Yeah, send it to me. Sana all super kapamilya. Oo nga eh. Masaya syempre. Taga-Aklan ako. Sa Kalibo. Sa Boracay ka. Masaya naman. Nakakainggit. Gusto ko rin maging Boracay girl. My favorite song right now, unironically, inuulit-ulit ko yung Nasty by Tina Shea. Ang gusto ko kasing part dun, kasi gusto ko yung music video niya. If you got it on me, if you do it to good, yeah, I like that. I like that part. Tsaka, favorite song, Nomad by Clairo. Tsaka, album ni Charlie XCX. Ay! These Walls by Dua Lipa. Favorite ko ngayon. Zambales is my hometown. Oh, yes! Doon kami nag-taping ng Zoomers. Pakis po, crush. Hala, mag-super kapamilya ka muna. Thank you, Pendang Mancho. Na all pupunta Bora. Sumama ka na kasi, B. Ay, kakabora mo lang eh. Ako naman. New follower here, Kay is approachable in person. Met her at Juan Ayala. Hello, hi, yes, I remember you. Thank you. Watching from Las Piñas City, Kay. Hello, malapit lang yan Regards po ni Ate Crystal Ball. Regards, ano yung regards niya? My nickname is Pusa po kasi, oh my god, that's so cute. Aww. Meow meow. Hidden talent, ate, reveal mo na. Ano bang hindi nyo alam na kaya kong gawin? Hulaan nyo na lang kung ano yung hidden talent ko. Sige. Ipakita mo naman po parents mo. Guys, nagpapa-pedicure sila. Nagpapatanggal sila ng mga ingrown. Hindi ko sila pwede pakita. It's a very private situation. Parents reveal next time. Or isali ko sila sa vlog. Yes, magbubora kami. So, magbubora vlog ako with my parents. TikTok dance. Nasty girl. Nasty girl. How did you become friends with Aliana? Oh, is Aliana still here? She's not here na yata. I'm shy. If she's still here, mahiya ako. So, I met her through Pamilya Sagrado. Kasi nga, diba, she's Felicia and I'm one of her mean girl friends. Well, nagkakilala kami. Nung first day ko, sabay kami sa van na papuntang taping. Tapos, nung una, hiyang-hiya ako kasi ako lang yung bago doon and wala akong kilala masyado. Tapos katabi ko pa siya, so I was very like, oh my gosh, what do I say? Like, oh, I'm just me. And then, parang, bigla siyang, parang she asked me something, and then she was like, oh my god, ano daw, ang cute daw ng boses ko. And then I asked her kung ano favorite song niya sa album ni Ariana Grande. So we were just talking, like, small talk, ganon. And then, parang it took some time until yung next cycle ng taping. Parang nung first day ko ulit, spontaneously tumambay kami somewhere, tapos ang dami na namin na pag-usapan. Parang yun yung first time talaga na nag-usap kami ng matagal. The whole day kasama ko siya. Tapos lumabas pa kami, after taping lumabas kami, nag-potato corner kami, nag-ice cream, coffee, tapos nag-picnic kami dun sa Baguio. It was so cute, and ayun, tapos naging roommate ko din siya. So, ayun, and the rest is history. So, ngayon, she's like my most precious friend. Aliana. Ay, sorry. Basta mahal na mahal ko siya. I would die for her. Legit. Sobrang cool ng Norisawa. Thank you! Do you guys like it? Alam ko, ate, gusto mo maging ako? Gusto ko maging DJ or ikaw? Mr. DJ. May Sohi! Sohi! Hajima! Ooh, can you love me like, can you love me like, can you love me like that? Han Sohi pala ako sa paningin ni Christine. Ande. So cute. I love girl friendships. Me too. Alam nyo guys, nung June talaga, my flop month, my flop era. Yung actively na nag-check-in sa akin kung kamusta ako, actively nag-remind sa akin na love niya ako, was her. So, Miss Aliana Angeles, you rock my world. May kissing scene po ba sa season 2? Sino? Sinong may kissing scene? Like, are you asking for like a specific pairing or if ako ang may kissing scene? Lifeline, can I call you Ellie? Came from Joniel. Of course, that's so cute. No one has ever called me that before. Ano po reaction ng parents mo sa kissing scene yun ni Crystal? Yung dad ko, syempre, that's his baby girl, you know? Like, ang alam kasi ng well, totoo naman. Very baby ako ng family. Bunso ako, very awkward, mahiyain. Alam niyo yun? So, nanibago talaga sila nung nakita nila yun. Pero, very proud sila kasi it's something na hindi gagawin. I mean, di naman wait lang. It's something na you wouldn't expect from real life. Okay, Sam. Kasi hindi naman ako, unang-una, hindi naman ako tambay sa bar, hindi naman ako malandi, di naman ako like, you know, forward like that. Di ako matapang, ayun. But then, yung character ni Faye, for them, it's super opposite ko kasi Faye is confident, Faye is, you know, she's sure of herself. So, ayun, very proud sila kasi nagawa ko yun. And first of all, like, sobrang brave ko. And yung mom ko naman, parang, syempre, proud din siya, pero gulat siya. And then after that, she was like, so paano mo natutunan gawin yun? And I was like, before that, kasi nanonood ako ng mga, GL, mostly like movies like Bottoms, ganyan. Havana Rose Liu, ganyan. Tapos, ayun, parang nanonood, ina-observe ko yung kissing scenes nila, paano gawin ng hindi magmukhang masagwa, ganyan-ganyan. So, ayun lang. And then I just trusted myself. Syempre, when you're in the scene, you're the character now. So, kung ano lang nararamdaman ng character mo during that moment, yun lang. I just trusted the Faye in me to do the kissing scene. So, when kaya magkakaroon ng mask representation sa Zoomers? Pag nagkaroon ng mask representation sa Zoomers na bagong character, it's gonna be a love square. Or malay nyo si Faye maging mask. DJ K. Guys, ang random naman. Bakit nyo akong nai-imagine as a DJ? Pero alam nyo, pag pumupunta ako sa mga functions, like lumalabas ako, kunyari party ng friend ko, hindi ko talaga vibes yung music. It's always the same thing. Hindi nila pinaplay yung mga music na gusto ko. Mga Katy Perry, mga Dua Lipa, mga girly-girly. So, kaya naisip ko, mag-DJ kaya ako para matugtog ko yung mga gusto kong tugtog. Pero, yeah, actually, marunong ako mag-spin. Like, marunong ako mag-DJ. Kasi yung brother ko before, nagtuturo siya and tinuruan niya ako. Tapos, nag-set ako sa Japan before. Mga pinagtugtog ko yung mga Fifth Harmony tsaka Troye Sivan. Girl crush talaga kita. Girl crush din kita. Excited na ka, mamaya, for episode 2 ng Zoomers mamaya. Thank you po, Sir Edward. Hi, James! Thank you. Nood ka, please. Thank you. Kayo, kami, kung may kissing scene, ano sa tingin nyo? Meron kaya? Depende kasi yun kung sino makakatuluyan ni Tanya. Yeah, so like, Faye, good luck. Good luck, Faye. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa'yo when I first saw you on Zoomers. We! Uy ba? Uy. Talaga ba? Really? Actually, that's so reassuring. Kasi every time I see myself on screen, I don't know. I think it's cause it's me. So, pag nakikita ko sarili ko, parang, ew, stop. Pero thank you. That's very reassuring. Can we expect more scenes from you sa Pamilya Sagrado? Di ko pa kasi alam kung ano yung mga lumabas na scenes, pero I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Love you po for being modest. Lumabas naman maganda ang kissing scene. Thank you. Ay, ano nangyari? Why? Okay. Wait. Ano nga ba sabihin ko? Yes, more kissing scenes to come sana in the future. Joke lang. May kissing scene po ba ang Tanya Faye and Jiho? Secret! DJ, bakit 1,000 miles? Seichi! Seichi, see you tomorrow. It's time! Magde-defrost na tayo. I love you, Seichi. I'm so proud of you. And talagang pag nakikita kita, buo na yung araw ko. Mine na to. Wait. Huwag mo na mag-mine. Wait for my go signal. Hi, Kay-chan. Hello, Magnum. Panoorin pang vlog ni Directed. Malalaman yung sagot. Kanta ka nga ng Karera. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Melo. Hi, Melo. Thank you. I love you. Bakit naging, diba, natawa din kayo sa choo-choo train? Wala naman akong pinindot. Like, bigla na lang naging Thomas the Train. Insulto talaga. Alam mo yung filter na yon, yung Thomas the Choo-Choo Train, talagang kinall out yung pagiging bilog ng mukha ko. Like, na-hurt yung feelings ko. Thank you so much, Thomas the Choo-Choo Train, for hurting my feelings. Faye Warrior forever. Guys, abangan nyo na yung kapatid ni Faye. Parating na rin siya. Actually, may kapatid si Faye. Ano yung gusto ko? Ano yung gusto ko? DJ, tag, such a softie. I love you so much. Down bad na down bad sa'yo. Thank you. Ganito pala feeling yung may down bad sa akin. You became my instant bias during the Zoomers audition. Really? Talaga? Oh my God. Feeling ko, did you guys think na from the Zoomers audition to now, na madaming nagbago? Kasi pag pinapanood ko yung Zoomers audition ko, parang nakikita ko sarili ko, well, that was like around a year ago lang. Like, not even a year ago, pero parang sobrang bata ko dun. I was so young. Diba? Much has changed since then. Pero thank you, Ramen Nom Nom. I love you. You're my bias also. May stand kang member ng Bini, si Joanna and Mika. Maganda kaya ang bilog na mukha? Basta sabi nyo, sige, maniniwala na ako. Are you gonna release a song soon? Yes. Well, it's a collab. It's not really my it's not like Sabrina Carpenter single vibes, but it's a collab, and abangan nyo yun. Abangan nyo. You guys are gonna be really happy with it. Basta, abangan nyo, malapit ng lumabas yung song. Alam na, excited ako. Ayokong mag-spoil, pero, sige. Song you'd love to hear from an acoustic guitar. Kunyari may manliligaw sa akin, tapos magigitara siya. Gusto ko, This Town by Niall Horan. nung nag-17th birthday ako, pinakanta ko yun sa friend ko. And, wala lang, happy na ako doon. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko alam bakit favorite ko yung This Town. Waking up to kiss you when nobody's there. The smell of your perfume still stuck in the air. No. Well, it's not really a happy song, but I like it. Tsaka Fool's Gold by One Direction. Hi, Danny! I missed you too! How are you? Ikaw, inaabangan ko to. Thank you, guys. Pag lumabas na ako, let me know what you think. Love your hair today. Thank you, Krisha. Yes, it's giving cinnamon. Di ba yung mga cinnamon roll, may mga iba-ibang color. Like, may mga cream siya, like this. So, I'm a cinnamon roll right now. Ate Kay, may mall show kaya ang Sagrado here sa Baguio. Sana meron, no? Kasi doon nag-taping. Let's see. Sana. Ate Kay, pakisabi kay Kuya Ralph na crush ko siya. Charot. Ikaw magsabi na crush mo siya. Bakit ako magsasabi? Huwag tayo torpe. Hi, Laling! Hello! How are you? Kamusta? My gosh, you're the queen. You're the fashion queen here. We're both long-haired, pero sobrang ganda ng hair mo. Ayan, guys. Here's the, get the look. It's ash brown. So, yung ash brown, pinatungan na siya sa red ko before. So, medyo, if you squint, medyo may pagka-red pa rin, which I'm trying to get rid of, pero it's ash brown with highlights. So, parang iba brown siya. Ibe-bleach yung highlights, tapos papatungan ng parang platinum eme. Thank you, Channel. Hi, can we marry? Oh, if you're gonna marry me, you have to, ano ba requirements para pakasalan ako? Actually, it doesn't really take much. Alam niyo, gusto ko lang naman may magmahal sa akin. Please do more vlogs. Okay, I will, kasi sabi mo. What hair color would you want to try next? One thing's for sure, I don't want to go to black hair. I don't want to go back to having black hair, kasi it looks so heavy on me. It makes me look, I don't know, it's not the vibe. But it's my natural hair color. I wanna try, siguro, like, super duper light brown na medyo pink. Pero yeah, I just wanna try, like, natural colors, ganun. I don't wanna try anything funky. Pero if for a role, kunyari, kailangan ko mag-blue hair, pwede naman. Hairstyle though, I wanna try cutting it very short. Like pixie, no, not pixie cut. Yeah, pixie cut. Like, as in behind the ears na yung hair. Pero I'm gonna lose weight first ng sobra before I do that para bumagay. Kasi if my face is too round, tapos my hair is that short, magbumukha na talaga akong Thomas the Train. Sasali rin po ba yung character niyo sa Fraternity? Pag nagpagupit na ako, sige, sasali ako sa Fraternity. Sasali na ako sa GSX. Pinuno, Pinuno, I'm ready to join the brotherhood. Hindi ka na torpe? Wala naman akong crush, kaya wala akong tutorpehan. Wala ba akong crush? Actually, madami. Ay, hindi. Actually, lang akong crush. Bigyan niyo nga akong crush. Wala akong crush, meron lang ako love. My friends. My girlfriends. Song you'd love to hear from an acoustic guitar. This Town and Fool's Gold. Super bagay po kayo ni Crystal. Thank you. Talaga ba? I feel so honored na bagay ako sa isang magandang babae tulad ni Crystal. Like, sometimes I feel unworthy because she's very, like, unreal, very pretty, and yeah. Si Mark Lee yarn, Ate Kay, alam ko. Oo, si Mark Lee talaga, yung crush ko. Si Mark Lee, tsaka si Mingyu. Pero si Mingyu, parang yung pagka-crush ko sa kanya, parang, alam ko kasing very hard to reach na si Mingyu, so hanggang tingin lang talaga. Hirap magka-crush sa'yo, kamukha mo pinsan ko. Hala. Sorry. Hi, Jonah. I miss you too. Kamusta? Long time. Anong what if? What if what? What if? What if? Oh my God, nauuhaw ako. Malapit na yung episode 2. Hi! Sorry guys. Natapatan ng aircon. Nagka-drive. I'm so sorry. Napaos bigla. Mahirap ka bang i-approach? No! Guys, ulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo, pag nakita niyo ako in person, kahit ilang pictures and videos yung i-take natin, go lang. Kahit magchikahan pa tayo sa kalsada, go. Like, it's so easy to approach me. Baka ako pa mag-approach sa inyo. Baka ako pa yung mas maingay. I was making the track list and nag-notif na you were doing a live. Oh my God, you manifested me. Hindi member ng kapamilya. Uy. Am I okay? Why? I'm okay. Super okay. Okay than I've ever been. Ano kaya pwede ipatugtog? I'm going to play my favorite songs right now. Kamusta po ka-work si Ate Criza and Kuya Harvey? Super dream come true. Kasi fan na ako ni Criza since Kadenang Ginto. And to me, parang cute na cute talaga ako sa kanya ever since. And I really love the way she acts. Very natural. So, talaga nung he's into her, siya talaga yung inabangan ko nun. And lagi ko nanonood ng mga clips ni Criza as Nai. So, when I found out na kasama din siya sa Zoomer, sobrang na-excite ako kasi parang magkaka-chance na makasama siya, makabonding. So, that was fun. And then si Harvey naman, of course, Harvey is Harvey. Like, we're all big fans of Harvey. Sobrang bilib na bilib din kaming lahat kay Harvey. And sobrang honor din, laking honor na kasama namin silang dalawa. I only have really great things to say about them. Also, si Harvey, very, very helpful, very, very, very helpful, and sobrang thankful kami kay Harvey din. Lalo na kasi nung taping ng season 2, lagi siyang may handang food, grabe, alam mo yung kaming girls, nagpapapayat kami kasi nga summer looks, hapit yung mga suot namin, mga naka-bikini top kami. Pero ang dami nilang pakain. Like sila Harvey, nagsisend sila ng GC na parang, ano na, punta na kayo dito, ang daming food. Tapos, like, nung una, nag-ano pa kami, parang, wait, wag muna, kasi may isa pa tayong scene. Pero we gave in sa paletsyon niya. No, I'm not annoyed. Malapit na episode 2, guys. Grabe, excited na akong tumuloy-tuloy pa. Ay, sana kasama ka sa cast ng He's Into Her. It's too late for that. Dati, gusto ko kahit isa lang sa mga students na nakatingin lang. Hello, Rachel Baldorado. Hello. Ang ganda mo, Faye. Thank you. Faye. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. Weren't you in senior high also? Yes, I was in senior high for a little bit. I was Simone. Ako yung nang-confront kay Z about stealing my bracelet. Yeah, that's not cool. Sobrang happy ko rin kasi yung naging main naka-eksena ko sa senior high is Daniela. Tapos kasama ko ulit siya sa Sagrado. I think it's just, it's just fate. It's meant to be. Hi, Lavisha! How are you? I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Siguro si Tanya, pag na-meet niya si Kay, mada-down bad din. Kay, but not Faye. Sino kaya mas magugustuhan ni Tanya? Si Kay or si Faye? I feel like Kay would be si Kay kasi very understanding. Inano yung sarili? In-advertise. Pero kasi, di ba nga Faye is very opposite of me. Si Faye parang madali magalit or like nagsispiral ganyan kasi nga very conscious. But Kay will never get mad at you. Kay is just very, she's just there. Kay is just very, and Faye is very, but Kay is, ano na Johan? Sige, kailan? Bukas may watch party ang Sparks Camp. Sa Hoshik ba yun? Tara! Pasabog ba yung F1? What was your favorite part ng episode 1? Sabay tayo manood ng episode 2. Sige! Oh my God, sige. Good idea. Sige, watch party tayo. Episode 2. Game. Pero baka mag-multitask kayo. Super ganda po ng episode 1 ng Zoomer Season 2. Super ganda. Ang ganda din ng cinematography, ng colors, ng scoring. Ang cute din ng bagong intro. Sobrang na-enjoy ko. Faye is fierce and Kay is cute. I like that. Hindi ba cute si Faye? Charing. 이쁘시다. 감사합니다. akmao. Magagamit ka ba if I like both Faye and Ellie? No! Why? I would really like it if you like Faye also. Malapit na. Ilan minutes na lang? 14 minutes. 14 minutes left. What's my zodiac sign? Yung mga may alam, wag niyo sagutin. Can you guess? Ramenomnom, what vibe do I give off? Like, what do you think my sign is? Hi, Mika! Hi, how are you? I love you. I miss you. Like, how have you been? Long time no see. If you wanna go in, Libra or Cancer with Scorpio rising. Ooh, ang galing mo. Gets ko yung Libra and Cancer vibe. And the Scorpio rising, that's funny kasi yung rising is supposed to be like the vibe you give off, diba? But yeah, my sign is Scorpio. I'm a Scorpio. Is it surprising that I'm a Scorpio? I'm a Scorpio sun, Leo moon, Taurus rising. Struggling to pick a college course. Oh my god, the time of the what do you call that? That season, like college application season, very, very overwhelming, but you got this. Korean is good. 진짜. 진짜. ganbarimasu. Fighting. But yes, I'm a Scorpio. May Scorpios association kami sa Zoomer. Sino bang? Ay, dalawa lang yata kaming Scorpio sa Zoomers. Me and Zach. Tapos meron kaming, nung photoshoot, meron kaming Scorpio stable. So, kasama namin yung ibang mga road managers doon na Scorpio din. Tapos, nag-uusap-usap lang kami doon nila Zach about our Scorpio-ness. Yung pagiging Scorpio namin. We were talking about that for a long time. Kaya, yun, meron na kaming Scorpios Association. Wenchana. Taurus rising, diba? Mga Taurus rising talaga very conscious with, like, things. Very maarte sa mga how good things look. Kaya maarte ako sa bedroom. Like, gusto ko maayos. Gusto ko may design lagi. Like, lagi ako nag-change ng setup. Then, sa room ko, lagi ako nag-decorate. Tapos yung fashion. Like, and yung Instagram feed. Right now, my Instagram feed is bad. Pero, mahilig akong mag-curate. Mahilig akong mag-decorate. So, that's my Taurusness. Fighting. Yes, Gigi 님. 한국 사람이에요? 입니까? G palagi sa ganda-gandahan. Exactly. Ng mga layout ng Twitter, ganyan, layout ng IG, very maarte. We're very particular with the Si Chaz waiting for episode 5. And then, yung iba, waiting for episode 2. Ano bang ganap sa episode 5? Oh my gosh. Gusto ko rin talaga super kapamilya. How did you study English? English is my first language. I grew up speaking English. 영어 잘 하신다. 감사합니다. 내 first language. 내 first language 영어예요. Kiba-san, konbanwa. Random, pero as a Taurus rising, pag may nakita ako na maganda, kailangan mas bongga sa akin. Oh my God! She's competitive. Pero true, kunyari pag may nakita akong maganda yung feed, na-inspire ako, parang gusto ko ganyan din feed ko. I need to do it better. Like, hello po, EJ. Hello po. I miss you too. Kamusta po kayo? Nanonood na po ba kayo ng Zoomers? Derek, hi! You look so pretty. Grabe naman, nahiya ako sa model in the Philippines, Derek Labit. Uy, kamusta ka na? I'm so proud of you. And I miss you. How old are you na po? I'm 16 years old. Ate, ano new hair color niyo po? It's ash brown. Ash brown with highlights. So, bale, deny namin ng brown, winash out namin yung red, and then, after dye ng brown and bleach, parang pinatungan ng parang platinum blonde, para ganyan. Kasama niyo pa si Kuya Argel sa Zoomers? Yes, kasama pa rin namin si Argel. Long time, I'll see you soon. Proud of you always. Me too, Derek. Love you too. I'm super duper proud of you. And lagi kita nakikita sa TikTok feed ko. And I'm very proud of you also. How long before we fall in love? Lapit na! Episode 2. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minutes. I think. 6 minutes. Hope to see you in person one time soon, please. I'll see you. It will happen. And when it happens, please talk to me. Please, let's take photos and videos. Ma'am, si Juliet, hello! Nakita ko kanina yung mga cookies mo. Nakita ko meron ka ring Biscoff, pero hindi daw available. So, abangers na lang sa next time. Pero yung white chocolate cookies, excited ako. Kanta pa po kayo. Nay! Nay! 6 minutes, guys! And you hold my hand now. You know it's you. I had a time of my life with you. In 2 weeks, baka dumating. I can't wait. Pag nag-birthday ako, Ma'am si Juilliard, pag nag-birthday ako, yung cake ko, gusto ko patong-patong na cookies, ganyan. What if shoot na ulit, G? Do you like any 5 sauce song? Caramel, and Caramel, Disconnected, Closest Strangers, and of course, yung, anong album yun? Yung album na may She Looks So Perfect, lahat yan. Yung, it's nostalgic kasi, pero yung sa bago nila, favorite ko yung Ghost of You, Caramel, You Don't Go to Parties, tsaka Lie to Me. And I wish we never met, it's too hard to forget. Won't you lie to me? No offense and malice po, kao na po belly fit. Ano yung belly fit? Ano yung belly fit? Coffee or tea? Both. Coffee because coffee gives me energy, but then tea, I drink tea pag gusto ko maging healthy. Like, Pag meron akong problem sa katawan na gusto ko ayusin, mag-tea ako. May abs po. Ako may abs? Who are you kidding? Who are you kidding? Favorite B-side sa Cosmic album? Actually, oh my god, I'm gonna be so real. Hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan. I haven't had the time to sit down and go through the whole album. So, Krisha, I will update you on that. Do you listen to any K-pop songs? Of course! Ang main ko ngayon is aespa. And of course, Mark Lee. NCT. But yeah, aespa. My favorite song from aespa's album right now is Bahama. Yeah. Hi, Arlo! Thank you! Thank you, thank you. Nood ka! Nood ka, please. It's just very short. Every 10-15 p.m. But also you can watch it on YouTube. 한국만이 느려오셨네요? You visited Korea a lot. No, just Ilbon. No. One time only. One time. I went to Korea last year, July. Nee. I forgot how to speak in Korean, but 한국 대한민국 너무 좋아. I forgot. Nahahalo ko yung Korean and Japanese. Who's your bias in aespa? Who's your bias in aespa? Ningning. Sorry guys, nabubulol na ako. Ningning. As in, if you go through my photo album, puro Ningning lang yung makikita nyo doon. Mga Ningning fancam, Ningning selfie, Ningning fashion. Ningning talaga, my number one girl. Well, my number one is always Sulgi, but Ningning is, ay ka-level na niya. I saw an edit, Paul, you have a talent to GF. I was being teary-eyed. I saw that also, and my mom saw it, and she was really happy. Thank you. Super duper cute. Thank you. NCT Wish debuted. Super cutie nila. Oo, nung nag-debut sila, yung mga promo nila, it was all over Tokyo when I was there. Tapos, pag nakikita, well, di ko sila kilala, pero pag nakikita ko yung mga promo nila, lagi ko pinipicture, and I feel like a proud NCT mother. But yeah, they're super cute. Do you like navel piercing po? No, I'm too scared to get a piercing anywhere. Hoy! You give off... It's a screenshot ko yan. You give off Ningning. You give off Ningning vibes! Are you for real, Ramen Nom Nom? 大家好，大家好，我是宁宁。Oh my god! Armasta na. Hoy! Thank you, Ramen Nom Nom. I love Ningning. Like, that's the biggest compliment. Thank you. 저도 일본으로 가고 싶어요. 일본 is very... 너무 재밌어요. You will like 일본. Ay! Ito na! Labas na episode 5. Okay, let's play. Zoomers episode 5. Facts only. I actually sent that comment before you said Ningning was your bias. So you weren't doing it to gas me up. Thank you. Oh my god, Ningning was... Kinikilig ako. Ningning. Okay. I will chill. let's play Zoomers episode. Ito yung episode 1. And where's episode 2? Ito na!
Ang mas masarap na new Maggi Magic Chicken Cube. It's the only
Ma? May process sa hospital. Tama ka muna kay handle ko ulit yung bukas.
Makakasama ka pa ba sa shoot natin?
Susunod na lang ako.
Hi guys! Happy anniversary, Zoomers! Yeah! It's time to make our production team. Mr. Writer-Director himself.
I'm watching it also right now.
I will be overseeing everything. Si Hope pala, Jigs. Siya bahala sa lahat ng props natin and everything. And she doesn't have to be on set para may time siya sa mga rocket niya. Glad you made it.
Hindi naman ata pwede wala ako.
Tell my life with
Sinungaling si Jigs! Si Jigs yung sinungaling!
Ikaw ang manluloko! Niloko mo yung ghost ko!
Ako yung biktima. Sinaksak niya. Ako yung biktima. Ako yung bully.
Kain na, Mr. Producer. Marami tayong gagawin today. May tulikot pala kanina sa stopover. Kunin ko. Baka mas gusto niya.
I'm good, Ben. Thank you.
Atom, clearly hindi ka okay. What's bothering you?
Nakita mo rin ba si Dino? Guys, may juice pa. Sa beach kami ba?
Dino?
ng breakfast.
Hindi. Hindi ko siya nakita.
There goes my diet. Wait, di mo need mag-diet, no?
Guys, gusto ko lang mag-sorry kasi baka akala nyo ginost ko kayo kahapon. Pero ngayon nandito na ako and ako nang bahala sa art department. Sorry. Teka, may emergency lang sa work.
As Hope was saying, siya yung bahala sa art department natin. So, lahat ng supplies, nasa kanya. So, I think kompleto na yung prod team natin. Right? So, let's start. Let's get the ball rolling, starting with our ocular. To be led by our location manager. May kula atin yung gagawin. Siyempre. Okay, Jim. Gagawin natin yan mamaya. Kain muna tayo. Okay, energy ka.
Atom, kumain ka na. Okay. Thank you.
Hey.
Sorry bigla akong umalis kanina. Don't worry, makakasama ka sa ocular. Dami lang kasing kailangan tapusing labada bago yung shift ko sa gabi. Sa US kasi based yung boss ko, so ako yung nag-a-adjust. Alam mo na, buhay virtual assistant.
Baka tayong may kailangan ng assistant.
Sa siguro. Pero parang ito
Ang cute ng scene na to.
Make it happen. Dito, ate. How can I be of assistance, Miss Santos? Would you like some more ice in your iced coffee? Do you want me to remove the cheese from your cheeseburger? Do you want some more cheese in your cheeseburger? You know, I'm just saying, Hope.
Ganyan din ako magsalita pag
You don't deserve
when I'm
just this.
feeling silly.
You deserve the best.
Salamat, Chicks. Ikaw rin.
Hi,
This is your
Quenny.
order.
Hello.
I'll see you later.
See you. Thank you, Jigs.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Wait lang ah. Una na ako because tawag ako ng parents ko. It's my turn na yata para magpabago ng nails. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow ulit bago mag-episode, I'll see. I'll try to go live tomorrow. Parang gusto ko mag-live every time before lumabas yung mga episodes para may chika-chika muna tayo. So, yeah. See you guys! Thank you for joining me tonight and I love you. Thank you for hanging out with me and for cheering me up. Love you guys. Enjoy episode 2. Bye.